Hello T3B, how's it going? So today I want you to open your student books to page 102. Student books, page 102. Now the title is Expedition. I'll write it here. Expedition. What is an expedition? Do you know? An expedition is when you organize a trip somewhere. You're gonna go somewhere. You could go into the woods, into the forest. You could go in the jungle. Expedition. You could go in a desert. You could go many dangerous places. Okay? This is an expedition. Usually more than one person go together and it's a big adventure, okay? But it can be dangerous, okay? So, on page 102, we've got lots of words, of objects, things that you may need when you go on an expedition, okay? So, and then we've got some pictures as well. So, first category here is clothes. Then we've got kit for each group. Other kit. You may also want something else. Okay, so lots of different things here. So, we look at the pictures. Yeah, do you know what these things are? Can you find the words here? Okay, so which category would that be in? Well, that would be in the clothes categories. Walking boots, maybe? Yeah, definitely seems like the right one. Walking boots would be number one. What about the next pair of shoes here? What would they be? Trainers? Trainers for the evening, number two? I think so. Okay. And number three over there, we've got a bag that you use. So what would that be for a group? This is for the whole group, for individual, for each person. Maybe a backpack. Do you know that word? It's a backpack. So number three is a backpack. Number four, when you go on an expedition, you stay out in the evening. It can get very dark. And you don't stay in a house, so you don't have lights. You need lights. Number four is what we call a torch. Okay? You need a torch. And then, number five, this box here, it says first aid. You know that sign. If you have a problem, if you cut yourself, if you hurt yourself, you need what we call a first aid kit. So number five is a first aid kit. Number six, you're in a forest, you're in a jungle, you could get lost, you're in the mountains somewhere, you don't know where you are, you have a map. Oh, where is the north, where is the south? Okay? This is what you need. It's called a compass. Where is it? Well, that would be for the whole group here. So number six, map or compass. Yeah? So this is the map, this is the compass. Number seven is, I think you recognize it, at night for sleeping. Okay? What do we call it? Is it a blanket? No, it's a sleeping bag, we call it. Sleeping bag. Right? So you roll it up and you take it out and it's one piece and you zip it up. Well, sometimes it gets very cold in the night, so you need one of those. Then we've got number 8 over there. Obviously, it's food. I don't know why they have a lemon in there. I'm not sure I need a lemon if I go in the jungle, but that's food, isn't it? So that's for, it's number 8. food. And the last one, number 9 down there, do you know what that's called? That's where you stay. It's like a mini house that you put up. It's called a tent. Now again, this is for everyone. Okay, great. Now, number 3, I want you to think about this. Which of the things on the list do the students need for wet weather, for instance? Okay, wet weather. So if you go somewhere and it's going to rain a lot, what are you going to need? Well, let's have a look. Walking boots, okay. Waterproof trousers, that's a good one. Waterproof trousers. So trousers which don't get wet, yeah? So that would be one that you could use, waterproof trousers. Ah, there it is. And a waterproof jacket, okay? Those would be definitely useful. What about sunny weather? If you decide to go on an expedition and it's very hot and sunny, what might you need here, okay? We've got sun cream, sunglasses are 2 things that you might need. Sun hats, yeah. Okay, you get it. I want you to think about cold weather, having fun, eating and drinking, sleeping, keeping yourselves clean, finding the way. What do you need for these things? Okay, think about it, make some notes, and you will talk to your teacher about it. On the next page, 103, we've got some grammar. We need to match these sentences. So let's say, our backpacks are going to be very heavy. We might not be able to carry them. It might not be possible. Maybe it's not possible. We say, we might not be able to carry them. Next one. I just need to get another fleece top. Fleece top is like a jumper, a sweater. A fleece top. Where is it? I've only got one, and it may not be enough. Yeah? I've only got one. It maybe it's not enough. It's possible. Alright? I'm taking 2 pairs of walking trousers. Yeah? Trousers especially for walking. 1 pair might get dirty or wet. Yeah? Maybe 1, it's possible, 1 will get dirty, so I will need another one. Yeah, so I need 2. It's going to be warm and dry on Saturday. But it may rain a bit on Sunday morning. Yeah? It's possible. Again, we use might, may not, might not, when we're talking about possibility. Let's not take any fresh food. It might go bad in our backpacks. Fresh food will go bad. That means it will not stay fresh. It will be smelly. Maybe, yeah, maybe. So it might, it might. I'm going to take lots of snacks too. I might get hungry when I'm walking. It's possible. I'm walking along. Maybe I'm going to get hungry. It's possible. So I better have some snacks just in case. Alright, got it? So may and might we use when something is possible. Let's have a look here at the rules. In these sentences, may and might mean the same thing. We use them to say that something is possible. Okay? They're the same, may and might. We use them the same way. After may or might, we use the infinitive with to or without to. Well, let's have a look. It might rain, it might get dirty, might go bad. Not may to rain, might to rain. No, may rain. So, without to, only the infinitive. Okay? We do or do not use third person S with may and might. Okay? He might. One pair means it, so that's the third person. This is the third person. Yeah? Third person. Good. So all and it may, third person, so 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are third person. Do you see an S there? No, we don't use S at the end, so we do not use an S in the third person. To make a negative, we put not before or after. Well, it might not, it may not. So not is after, correct? Okay, let's do some practice now. Great, so first exercise for practice is exercise 8, still on page 103 now. So, got these, we need to place them in the right sentence. My homework tonight. Can I give it to you on Tuesday? Might be my homework, no, might not go my homework, might not take. Do you take your homework? Invite, no. I might not finish. Correct. That's it. Alright, what about number 2, 3, 4, 5? You do them at home. Prepare them for the lesson, please.